Kanye West SWED. Again, new harassment and drug allegations. What if one of the world's most controversial music icons is facing the most career-threatening allegations yet? Why did Kanye West, a fashion and music icon who is recognized all over the world, find himself at the heart of yet another explosive lawsuit? West, who was once recognized as one of the most important artists of his time, is currently grappling with serious charges that threaten to further ruin his reputation, which was already in a precarious position. Could this be the final blow to the controversial artist's career, given the latest allegations that have surfaced regarding drugging, rape, and harassment with the artist? The most recent allegations: an incident at a celebrity party with Diddy. The most recent lawsuit against Kanye West, which was submitted on October 11th by Lauren Picciota, who had previously worked as his personal assistant, has caused shockwaves to travel across the entertainment industry. According to the allegations made in Picciota's 88-page complaint, West drugged and sexually assaulted her at a party that was co-hosted by Sean Diddy Combs, many years before she began working for him. This information comes just a few months after Picciota filed a lawsuit against West in June, alleging that he had harassed her sexually, stalked her, and wrongfully terminated her employment. Picciota claims that the event occurred at a studio in Santa Monica, California, at a party that West and Diddy are believed to have co-hosted respectively. In the case, it is alleged that West demanded that all guests consume alcohol in order to continue attending the event. Picciota asserts that she began to experience feelings of disorientation and began to shift into a state of altered consciousness after taking a few sips of a beverage that was provided to her by West. It is not apparent to her what happened the rest of the night, and her musical client, who was also present, refused to discuss the events that transpired throughout the night after they had occurred. Over the course of several years, Picciota asserts that she was able to discover from her previous client the reasons why they were too traumatized to discuss the incident. To add insult to injury, the lawsuit claims that West admitted to the misbehavior during the last few weeks of Picciota's employment. There have been allegations of sexual trafficking and harassment. A troubling picture of West's actions is painted in the most recent version of the lawsuit. He is described by Picciota as being predatory, aggressive, compulsive, vulgar, perverse, and frighteningly calculative to a frightening degree. Through his contacts with large firms such as Adidas and Gap, she believes that West trafficked women into the United States for the purpose of sexual fulfillment. She also accuses West of utilizing his clout in the music industry to satisfy his insatiable sexual gratification. In addition, the lawsuit asserts that West maintained a rotating list of guests at Yeezy's firm headquarters, with whom he participated in sexual activity. Picciota asserts that he had a preoccupation with the mothers of his targets and provides a thorough account of West's sexual talks with his wife, Bianca Censori. It has been stated that West revealed his wish to have sexual relations with Censori's mother in a single text exchange. It was mentioned in another text that he was determined to have sexual relations with a A-list female fashion model. Picciota further asserts that West presented women, including sexual partners and employees, to his friends and business contacts as gifts. This includes offering women to West as sexual companions. She claims that West once attempted to gift her to a celebrity who was one of the A-listers, and that the celebrity warned her about the situation. Alleged use of drugs and behavior that betrays manipulation. The lawsuit filed by Picciota also includes information regarding West's alleged use of a sexual enhancement substance that he referred to as sex honey. She claims that West gave her instructions to always have the substance on hand, and that he publicly discussed plans to entice her to attend one of his notorious sex parties without her knowledge. Luxury hotels such as the Nobu Ryoka Malibu, the Beverly Hills Waldorf Astoria, and the San Isidro Ranch in Montecito, California, are said to have been among the locations where these parties were held. During the time that Piciotta turned down West's advances, she claimed that his responses were diverse. On occasion, he would present her with extravagant presents, yet on other occasions, he would exhibit tremendous rage and irritation. The mood fluctuations that Piciotta experienced were also reported as being irregular and unpredictable. Discrimination and anti-Semitic behavior in the workplace. Piciotta's action not only brings to light new charges of discriminatory behavior, but it also comes to light the fact that West has received significant backlash in the past for his anti-Semitic sentiments. She claims that West frequently ranted about being at war with Jews and expressed respect for Adolf Hitler. She also claims that West spoke highly of Hitler. According to the lawsuit, one of the incidents that took place was when West walked out of a hotel suite and contacted Piciotta to lodge a complaint. He allegedly said, "Of course, the real estate advisor got me that trash hotel room with light blue walls, because that is something a Jew would do." Piciotta asserts that West sent her a number of frightening anti-Semitic letters and played out Nazi salutes across the workplace. The reaction of West and his image in the public eye. According to the most recent lawsuit, West's team has not yet produced a public statement on the matter. On the other hand, public opinion has already started to shift against him due to his history of problematic behavior, which includes anti-Semitic slurs and irregular public appearances. The personal and professional lives of West have been in a state of disarray for many years. After his anti-Semitic rants, his marriage to Kim Kardashian ended in a divorce that received a lot of media attention, and his partnership with Adidas was terminated as a result of his behavior. In spite of these obstacles, West has been able to continue to enjoy the support of a loyal fan following. It is possible that even his most devoted fans will be unable to ignore the most recent claims because they are too severe. Due to the fact that allegations of sexual misconduct, drugging, and trafficking have been added to the already extensive list of problems that West has been involved in, his future in the entertainment industry is more questionable than it has ever been. Implications for the music industry. From a more general perspective. Additionally, the charges that have been made against West raise broader questions regarding the culture of the music industry. Over the course of many years, the sector has been beset by allegations of exploitation, harassment, and harassment of employees. There have been criminal convictions handed down against prominent personalities like R. Kelly and Harvey Weinstein. Nevertheless, there are a great number of other influential men who have not yet been held accountable. Piciotta's case has the potential to act as a driving force behind change. She has joined a rising movement of women who are seeking responsibility from the males who have abused their authority by coming forward with her tale. This includes women who have been mistreated by men. Now, what will take place? As the legal struggle between Piciotta and West continues to unfold, the courtroom will be the focus of everyone's attention. In light of the allegations of drugging and rape, would West be subject to criminal charges? In light of the terrible new claims, what kind of response will his team give? How will this case affect the music industry as a whole? And what kind of effects will it have? In the event that the truth is revealed, there is no doubt that the entire world will be paying close attention to it. While there is a possibility that this could be the beginning of the end for one of the most contentious figures in hip-hop. Don't miss out on the latest updates in this shocking case. Subscribe now and turn on notifications to stay informed as more details unfold.